So in this video, we're going to find the value. So we're going to start with f of -1. So the first thing you have to do is figure out where does -1 fit in the domain. This says x is less than or equal to -3. That's not it. This says -2 is less than x, which is less than 5. Bingo. Here is where -1 fits because it's between -2 and 5. So we're going to evaluate using this function. So it's going to be 3 times -1 plus -1 to the third power. So we have 3 times -1, which is -3, and then -3 to the third power. Excuse me, -1 to the third power is -1. So we simplify it and we find out that f of -1 is -4, and that's how you find the value. Let's do the second one, f of 5. We got to figure out what 5 fits in and what doesn't fit here. It doesn't fit here, but here this says x is greater than or equal to 5. Bingo, here it is. So we're going to evaluate it here. We're going to write in negative absolute value of 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 is -3. The absolute value of -3 is +3. We multiply that times the negative that's on the outside, and our final answer is -3. So this is how you evaluate. Let's take a look at this last one, -2.5. Let's figure out where it is in the domain. X is less than -3. Nope, that's not it. This starts at -2 and goes to 5. That's not it. X is greater than 5. That's not it. So guess what, folks? It's not in the domain. We got to be able to say it does not exist.